80. Okay? Okay, now let's start the first word. The first one, we see there is jug. J-U-G, jug. What is J-U-G, jug? We all have jugs in our house. Do you have a jug in your house? Yes. Why do we use a jug? To keep the water in store or keep this juice in store. Okay? We make what we want to drink water. Every time we need not run to the kitchen. We use a jug and keep the water in store, and we leave it on the dining table. And whenever we need water, we'll go to the dining table, take a glass and pour from the jug, and we have it. Yes, so jug is something what we store. Okay, keep it in store there on the table. Okay, we also store juice when we have more number of guests. What will mummy do? Mummy will pour this in the jug. She makes juice, nice tasty juice she makes, and she pours it in the jug, and she brings it to the table and she starts pouring in front of everybody and she serves. Yes, so jug is a bigger vessel where you store things, water, juice, etc. Okay, it is in all our house. So parents, after my class, please show your children with what is jug. Okay, the next word what you have is bug. B-U-G, bug. Bug is a small insect. Okay, there in the picture you see a ladybug. Okay, a red color insect with black dots on it. But we usually say all the insects as bug. Sometimes the bugs which we don't know the names. Okay, the small bugs. The next one, let's move to the next word. It is called tug. T-U-G, tug. What is tug? Have you seen for Onam celebrations or some celebrations, what we all do? We arrange some games, okay, Vadambali. Have you heard about it? Boys and girls stand on either sides, or one team stands on one side, the other team stands on the other side. They have a rope in their hand and they tie a ribbon in the center and they try pulling it. Okay, try, and everybody makes noise and we enjoy. And the one who goes with the rope will be the winners. Others all will fall down. Okay, so it's a game and it's like called tug of war. Okay, to see who is strong. Okay, so tug. The next word we see there is M-U-G, mug. What is mug? Mug is quite bigger than a cup. Okay, usually we drink when guests come to our house. Mothers, you have seen your mummies coming and serving the guest with a cup of tea. Okay, usually in the house we'll have it in the glass. Okay, but when the guest comes, mother will serve it in the cup. But cup, mug, what you mean by mug is quite bigger than the cup. It doesn't. We don't say the cup as mug. Mug is a cylindrical shape, quite bigger than the cup, and we can have more. Some people like having more tea, more milk, more coffee. Okay, so they have it in the mugs. Meanwhile, others are served in a cup. Okay, the next one is rug, R-U-G, rug. What is rug? Rug is a decorative floor mat which we put on the floor to keep our feet warm, or sometimes when we get into the house, we have to clean our means what you call clean our feet and then get into the house. Okay, and sometimes when it is too cold, the flooring is too cold, we need to feel warm, so we put a rug there on the floor. Okay, so that is a rug. The next one is a sentence. A bug on a rug. If you don't keep your floor mats and rugs neatly, the bugs will come and sit on the rug. Okay, Arnav, I see you showing monkey faces. What is happening there? Arnav's mummy, please change the mode. I think he's looking at himself and he's showing funny faces and playing there. I'm seeing all faces there, Arnav. What is happening, Arnav? Who is that talking? Keep your mics muted. Rehat's mother, was it you? Okay. So R-U-G is rug. Rug, if you don't keep the rugs neat, you will find bugs in it. So there is a sentence, a bug on a rug. Okay. Now look at the screen. I'm sharing you how to write it. Okay. Today we are looking into UG set of words. Okay. The first one is UG. Okay. So how do we write it? The first word is bug, B-U-G, bug. Bug means the small insect, okay? The next one, we have rug, R-U-G, rug. Rug is a floor mat which we keep which we use in our house to keep our feet warm. And the next one is bug. Sorry, was the next word? Mug. Okay, M-U-G, mug. What is mug? Mug is a cup which we use to drink milk and coffee. It's quite bigger than a cup. Then you have jug. J-U-G, jug. What's a jug? Jug is a vessel which we use to store the water or juice, etc., in a large quantity. Okay, the next one is you have tug. What is tug? T-U-G, tug, Vadambali. Okay, the two boys stand on, not two boys, there are so many people this side and also this side. Okay, they have a rope in hand, they tie a red ribbon there and they try pulling it. Okay, and whoever wins will go with the rope. So these are the words which we are looking into. Now let's see a sentence there. There is a rug and there is a bug on it. Okay, so we say a bug, B-U-G, bug. A bug on, O-N, on. And we say a bug on a rug, R-U-G, rug. A bug on a rug. That's a sentence. How do we do it? A bug on a rug. Everybody try reading with me. Nivetha, Sai Krishna. Everybody read it louder. A bug on a rug. Shivada, Ishan, Richard. Everybody read. Adna, a bug on a rug.
A bug on a rug.
Very good. Everybody loudly you read. A bug on a rug. Okay. A bug on a rug. Okay. So stopping my share. Now let's read from the textbook. When I say the word letters, you will say the word. Okay. J-U-G. What is it, Richard?
Jug.
Excellent. Darshak. B-U-G. What is it?
Bug. Bug.
Very good. Vedic. Bug alla bug. Okay. Bug parayana ta. Keto. Hello, Darshak Cheta. Okay. Vedic. T-U-G. Vedic. T-U-G.
Yes. Tug.
Tug. Next. Henna. M-U-G.
Mug.
Arshika. R-U-G.
Mug.
Arnav Pillai, please read the sentence. Arnav Cheta, please read the sentence for all of us. Not unmuted, Arnav's mother.
A bug for
on a R-U-G is?
rug.
Rug. A bug on a rug. Everybody try reading
A
from the
bug
textbook.
on a rug.
Very good. Everybody put your finger and read now. A bug on a rug. Okay. Everybody read. A bug on a rug. Okay. So that's all today about UG words. Now let's do some activities in page number 79. So turn one page in the front. Last class we learned UN and UP words. So children, I would request you all to take a pencil, please. And please fill in the words which you see there. Okay, the first one, manha. You see some children standing there, F-N. What will come there? Manha? U. So F-U-N is what? Read that word. F-U-N. Unmute it, Paraganna. Manha, wait, stop writing. Manha, you tell me the word. F-U-N endana. What is it? What is F-U-N? Louder. Fun. Okay, F-U-N, fun. Now, Shivada Sudesh, read the next word for me. Shivada, please.
N-U-N, none.
Excellent. Everybody write N-U-N, none. Adna Sunil, will you read the next one, dear? The picture of a sun is there. How do you read it? S-N. What comes there? U. Okay. Now read the word fully. S-U-N. What is it? Adna?
Sun.
Sun. Very good. Now, Richard Mamberley. Let's go to the next word. C-P. Cup. What comes there between C and P? U. Very good. Right. Tirtha, please tell me what comes next. P dash P. What comes there? P-U-P, pup. Page number 79. Please do everybody write the letters, letters which are missing. So let's read it one more time. F dash N, it is F-U-N, fun. N-U-N, none. S-U-N, sun. C-U-P, cup. P-U-P, pup. Pup. Who said tap? It's pup. Manha, keep it muted. Now let's move to the next page, page number 87, please. Turn over to page number 87. Parents, kindly help them to take page number 87. So now we have learned UG words, okay? Now you have some pictures and one letter is missing. The main letter is missing. I want you to tell me what is missing, okay? I'm going to call the children now. Ishan, tell me the first picture. You see a mat on the floor, okay? How do you read it and what do you say? Ishan, unmute please.
R-U-G, rug.
Excellent. Everybody write R-U-G, rug. Next question to Nivetha. Nivetha, you see a mug there, okay? Mug. What will come there? M-G. What comes in between M and G?
M-U-G, mug.
Very good. M-U-G, mug. Andrea Babu, you see the next picture there where you keep water. J-G. How do you read that? Unmute, Andrea. Okay, Andrea, I'll go to... It's okay, leave the book there. You come and unmute and give me the answer. Speak. J-G. What comes there? Andrea, today we were looking into UG words, right? So J-G. What comes in the between? Is it A or is it U? You forgot? Okay, Andrea was sitting alone. I didn't know. I thought somebody will be next to her. She was arranging everything, all her books on the bed. Meanwhile, she came and switched it on. She forgot. So, Andrea, it is J-U-G, jug. Okay? What is missing there? U. Take your book and see. Now, Aldrin, can you help me? J-G. What comes there? U. Andrea, keep it muted. Next question to Sai Krishna. B-G. What comes there? U. Okay. So B-U-G, bug. Okay? So now turn over the next page, everybody. Everybody turn the next page. So today we are looking into one more set of words like that is called this. Okay, where to use this? Okay, everybody look at ma'am. Sai Krishna, keep it muted. So do you read the, can you see the letters written in red color? T-H-I-S. How do we read it? We read it as this. Okay, T-H-I-S, this. Now, this is used. Okay, keep it muted. Who is talking with unmuted? Who has unmuted? Can you keep it muted, please? Do not disturb and do not make me call your name. Is it Rehat? Please keep it muted, Rehat, please. Okay. So we have page number 88. There we use this. Okay, where do we use this? The things which are nearby. Okay, the things which are around us and which is only one. Okay, oru sadhanam nammada adutha only one is there. We say that as this. For example, I am standing near a board. So I say, this is a board. Okay, and I have my headset on my ears. Yes, so I have only one of this. So I say, this is my headset or headphone. I say, this is my headphone. Now, I have a pen next in my hand. So how do I say it? This is a pen. Okay. Now I have a glass with me. I say, this is a glass. Okay. Or I have a book. I say, this is a textbook. Okay. So the things which are only one and which is reachable to my distance. Okay. I say it this. Okay. This is a chair. This is a board. This is my my light. This is a glass. Okay. This is a table. Okay. Now, when things are far away from us, which is not in our to be reachable, how do we say? Harriet, do you have an idea? What do you say when the things which are far? Speak. No, you don't know? We say that. How do you say that? We say that. We say that is a car. That is a fan. That is my mother. That lady in red sari is my mother. That is my uncle. Hey, that is my house. Okay? When you are far from an object and that is only one, you say that. Now here we are looking only at this. The things which are nearby, it is only one, we say this. Okay? Yes? Now let's read from the textbook. Everybody put your finger and read the first one. This is a cup. Okay, now look at the board. I will write the words for you. Okay. So I have this word THIS this. Okay, and I have a mug here. Okay. So I write a sentence. How do I say it? This is, okay. How do I say? THIS. This is a mug. How do I say? This is a mug. I have a pen. Okay. So I say this is a pen. Okay, I have a cat here. So how do I make a sentence? I say, because it's very close by. So I say, this is a cat. How do I say? This is a cat. Okay, how do you read it? This, THIS, this. Everybody repeat. THIS, this. IS is a cat. This is a cat. How do you say that? This is a cat. This, okay. Now let's read from the textbook. Everybody put your finger on the textbook and read. This is a cup. How do you read it? This is a cup. Next one. This is a mop. How do you say that? This is a mop. Next one. This is a pen. How do you read it? This is a pen. Parents ask them to move the fingers as they read. Next one. This is a cat. How do you read it? This is a cat. I'm going to give chocolates to those children who are going to read it loud. I can see your lips. I can read your lips. Okay? Those who are reading loud and those who are not reading loud. I'm going to call your mothers when you're sleeping. So please read it loud for your mother. Next one. This is a car. No. Do not unmute. Do not unmute because it will be a mess here. Okay. This is a car. This is a car. Next one. This is a tin. This is a tin. Now I will be calling one by one children. You will read it for me. Okay, the first one to Ishan. Ishan, unmute. Read the first sentence for me. Unmute and read the first sentence for me.
This is a cup.
Excellent. Lysandra, please read the next one.
This is a mop.
Time, mop. Okay, mop. Next, Rehat Fatima, read the next one. Unmute and Rehat Fatima, read the third sentence for me. Rehat, I'm calling you. Your mummy is helping you. Please read. Unmute and speak.
This is a pen.
Ah, very good. Next, Dash Krishna. Read the next one. Rehat, keep it
This
muted.
is a cup.
No. Next to that.
This is a cat.
Okay. Arnav Pillai, please read the next one.
This is a car.
Okay. Aaron, please read the next one. Aaron is not there.
This is tin.
It was not Aaron. Somebody
A
else.
tin.
Okay. Okay. Finished? Okay. So this is how you have to read it. The things which are very close by and which is very near to you, you will say this. So parents, after my class, make each of your child speak 5 sentences. Children, or how will you tell your mother? You will say, this is my book. You have to tell your mother. This is my pencil. You have to tell your mother, this is my table. This is my chair. Okay? You will say, this is my towel. Okay? I want you to speak 5 sentences today before you get up from the seat after my class. Okay? Only then you will move from the seat. You will tell 5 sentences to your mother. Okay, mothers? You will give them a star when they do it. Okay, now let's move to the next topic. Okay, so I've got, close your books, everybody. We are going to max now. Okay, last class we saw arranging the numbers from small to big. Today we are going to look at numbers, arranging the numbers from big to small, the vice versa. Okay, so everybody close your book, look into the screen so closely so that you can see what I'm writing. So the first one we have here is, the question will be like this: arrange the numbers. Okay, arrange the numbers from, how is it? Here you have to read it carefully. Big to small. How are we writing the numbers? It's going to be from big to small. Okay, from the big number to the smallest number. Now, I've got few numbers here. Let's see what are those numbers. Okay, I've got 4, I've got 5, I've got 3, 1 and 2, which means I've got 4 balls, 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got 5 balls, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I've got 3 balls, 1, 2, 3. Then I have 1 ball, then I have 2 balls. Okay, now you have to tell me which is the biggest number here. Shivada, can you help me with this? Tell me which is the biggest number here, Shivada.
5.
Yes, 5 is the biggest number. So I will be writing 5 first. Then the next number, please. The number which is big, 4. So this is the next number. So I'll be writing 4. Now tell me which is the next biggest number. Means not bigger than 5 and 4, but lesser, bigger than the other 2 numbers.
3.
3. So I write 3. Then the next number.
2.
2. And then
1.
1. Excellent. So we are going in descending order. You see, children, it's not, we are writing numbers from backwards. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So this is how we write. Then I will give you one more example. Please watch. I've got few numbers. Okay. 50, 30, 10, 20, and 40. Okay. Now, I want, and okay, Maria. Okay, Maria, are you hearing me? Please tell me which is the biggest number here, Maria. Speak fast, I don't want you to waste time. Maria, are you there? Okay, Aaron, give me the answer. Aaron, unmute. Sorry, Aldrin, you speak.
15.
Okay, next.
16.
Then
14.
40. Then
14.
30. Then no. Is
10.
it 10 or 20?
20.
20. Then comes
10.
10. Okay. Now next question to Lysandra. Okay, I have got few numbers here: 100, 85, 71, 99. Okay, Lysandra, tell me which is the biggest number first.
100.
Okay, I'm going to write 100. Which is the next one, please?
90.
19 or 99?
99.
99. Then, so I've written these two numbers. Only two more are left. Which is the next?
85.
Very good.
85.
85. Which is the next one?
71.
Excellent. So this is how you write the numbers in descending order, backwards. Okay. So children, I will be sending few numbers in the maths notebook. So parents, please write down those questions for your children and make them do it in the notebook. So before, when you're training them, what you have to do is, now I've gone to till 100, but when you do it, you start doing from 1 to 30. Do one from 1 to 10, write the numbers and give it to them. Ask them to arrange it. Like 1 to 5, then 6 to 10, from 11 to 15, 20, 16 to 20, like that, 5 sets you give them. Ask them to arrange in the descending order. Once they are thorough with 30, 1 to 30, move on to the next numbers, set of bigger numbers. Okay, so please write down few numbers and give it to them and ask them to do it. Give two at least when they are in a mood to do it, so they will do it. Okay, so children, that's how you're going to do this. Page number, please go to page number 81, everybody. You have page number 81 and 89 to be done today. Okay, arranging the numbers from small to big, and in page number you have it in the vice versa, arranging the numbers from big to small. Heard everybody? So will you all do it? Yes? Yes or no? Okay, so I will be sending you this in WhatsApp. Okay, now I have 5 more minutes with me. I would like to do some of the revision in rhyming words. Okay, last day I had sent you some rhyming words. Did you all practice that? Aditya, Sunil, Richard, Darshak, what about everybody, Adina and all that? Did you all practice doing the rhyming words? Okay, I'll give you an idea. Please look at the board. I hope you should have done it. For example, UG words, okay, UT words. Then I give you IN words. I say write IT words. When I say write two rhyming words, okay, how do I say it? The question will be like this: write two, TWO, two rhyming, RHYMING, rhyming words. Okay, this is a question. So how do you do it? How do you write it? Okay, Darshak, can you give me two rhyming words for UG? Darsh Krishna,
Yes, ma'am.
please speak two words for UG. Give me two words.
Bug.
Yes,
J-U-G,
you
jug.
have BUG, bug, and you have JUG, jug. Okay, Aditya, Sunil, give me two words for UT. With UT, what are the words is there? I'll give you the picture. Please speak. What is this? Okay, you're telling me cut. What is this picture?
Nut.
Nut. So we write NUT, nut, and you came up with the word CUT, cut. Okay? Aldrin, give me two words for IN.
Pin.
BIN, bin. What is one more word?
Pin.
Pin. PIN, pin. Excellent. Tirtha, give me two words for IT. Huh?
S-I-T,
Very good. SIT, sit. One more word, please. Okay, I'll give it. FIT, fit. Okay, so these are the rhyming words. So I'm sending few of them today. Parents, make them write at least two words for those words. Okay, before they do it, ask them to read the textbook, and you make them only write five words a day. I'm sending a revision for a thing. Make them copy that in the book. Okay. Okay, see you all in the next class, children. Bye-bye, because the next session children are entering us. Okay, so see you all in the next session. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.